Hello everybody and welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today we are making a delicious mango delight dessert. This dessert is made in two parts. First we'll prepare the mango dessert batter. For the base we'll need Amul cream, milk, white chocolate, mango puree, agar powder. The exact measurements of all the ingredients will be provided in the description box below. Now let's prepare the mango dessert batter. Next we'll make the mango glaze. For the glaze we'll need mango puree, custard sugar, cornflour, water and a liquid glucose. Again you'll find the detailed ingredients measurements in the description box below. And that's it. Our delicious mango delight dessert is now ready. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you try it at home, do let us know how it turned out in the comment section below. If you like this video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more delicious dessert recipe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.